Good morning, students. Children, day before yesterday, we studied about the types of force. In the type of force, you studied about the muscular force and then mechanical force. You studied that muscular force is applied by our muscles, that is our body parts, while mechanical force is applied by the machines. You are clear about this concept. You know, whatever the work we are doing in home, your mother is using the machines like mixer, then washing machine. These are helping to our work easier. Okay. Well, some of the work we are doing on our own by using our muscles. So this force, I think you are clear about, because we are performing all these activities in home. Now come to the thought. Dreams are just a map. You still have to walk the course. I am repeating. Dreams are just a map. You still have to walk the course. Means whatever the dream we have in mind, what you think, what we think about ourselves to be, it is just a map. It is our imagination. Map means imagination. So we have to bring that imagination into the real. So how can that come into the real? If we walk the course. If we are working hard for it, if we are trying to achieve the success by performing different activities, by working hard, then our map is our success. Okay. So dreams are just a map. It is just shown to us that something is there. We have to go and pick that thing. Means we have to walk the course. We have to work hard. Okay, children. This is our today's thought. I hope you will bring it in your life and will work like this only. So the next type of force that we are going to study is a gravitational force. Gravitational force, gravity means earth. The force applied by the earth or by the gravity, it is called as gravitational force. Okay. See here, children, a boy is throwing the ball upward. As the ball is thrown upward, it has moved certain distance. After that, the ball has fallen down, or that boy is catching the ball. Herein in the second picture, you are observing mango is falling down. A mango tree is shown. Mango is falling down. Why all these things are coming down? When something is thrown upward, after that also the object moves certain distance upward, and after that it comes down. Just like that, here also we are observing mango is coming down. Though air is there, mango is not moving upward, it is falling down. So reason behind it is gravitational force. Earth pulls all the object towards itself, and that force applied by the gravity or the earth, it is called as gravitational force. So what is gravitational force? The force applied by the earth to pull the object towards itself is called a gravitational force. Okay. Any object goes upward, okay, as we are applying the muscular force, this ball is moving upward, but as it goes up and up, its speed goes on decreasing, and at the top its speed becomes 0, and gravity is continuously applying the force. 0 means equal to gravity, and at that time gravity is applying continuously force. That's why the object is coming down, as gravity or the earth is applying the force towards itself. Okay. This is called as a gravitational force. Children, you know who searched out this force? Who worked hard to know about this detail about this force? Scientist Isaac Newton. Sir Isaac Newton has discovered the gravitational force in 17th century. Children, once When this scientist in his childhood, he was sitting under the tree. Okay, he was sitting under the tree with his friends, and he saw that apple has fallen down. Okay, he was sitting under the apple tree. Apple has fallen down. Many children, many friends were there. All has seen the apple falling. Everyone was know that apple is falling down, but the curiosity to know why that apple has fallen down was only with Newton. And this make the Newton sir, he got this sir, that name only because of its curiosity to know why that apple has fallen down, why it has not gone up. So in this way, the Sir Isaac Newton discovered the gravitational force. The Earth's gravitational force always acts in the direction opposite to that of an object moving upward. Just now you had seen that the gravitational force is acting against the force. That boy is applying the force upward, but the gravity is applying the force downward towards it, and that's why the object is falling down. Then the object starts falling down instead of going further. While falling, its speed goes on increasing. When the object is falling down, its speed goes on increasing as it is moving towards the earth. This is called as gravitational force. Children, many more examples are there in our daily life that help us to understand the gravitational force. Children, you must be knowing that earth is moving around the sun. Okay. Some other planets are also moving in the different orbits around the sun. That is nothing but it is only because of some force of the gravity. Okay. I will explain in detail